Tired of task confusion and want to boost teamwork? This video shows you how to assign one task to multiple people in Asana. Let's dive in first. Open up your Asana project. You can either select an existing task or create a new one. For this example, let's create a new task by clicking the plus button. I'll name this task Project Brainstorm. Click on the task to open the task details. Here, you will see the assignee field. Typically, you'd assign it to just one person, but we want to assign it to multiple people, right? Now, instead of directly assigning, look for the Collaborators section. It's usually below the assignee or might appear as a separate field depending on your Asana layout. Click on the Add Collaborators field. A search box will appear. Type in the names of all the team members who should be involved in the task. For example, let's add Sarah and John. As you add them, their profile icons will appear on the task. This means Sarah and John are now both collaborators on this task. Everyone gets notified and the task appears on their My Tasks list, promoting shared responsibility. Remember, while everyone is a collaborator, consider who's ultimately responsible for driving the task forward. You might want to clarify roles within the task description, and that's how you assign one task to the people on Asana. Happy collaborating!